Hello again, it's great to see you all. So my name is Mike.
Hi, I'm Fred.
Hello, I'm Costas.
Hi, Raul.
Hey, so we have already taught you quite a lot of samba from Brazil so far. If you haven't yet watched video number 1 and video number 2, please watch that before you watch this one, because you'll need to learn all the rhythms that we've taught you so far, because we won't recap them in this video. One thing that often happens in music, not just samba, you have something that's called copyback. Now, copyback is basically whatever rhythm one person plays, other people copy it and play the same rhythm back. So it could be like if I go, then you copy it and you play exactly the same thing back. So we thought it'd be fun if you have something that you can play, maybe you've got some kind of drum or some kind of shaker with you. Shall we give it a go at doing some copyback? I've got the caixa drum here, and whatever rhythm I play on the caixa, could you play it straight back? Are you ready? Here we go. 2, 3, so I go first. Hey, well done. Did you get those all correct? Or were there some of them that maybe was a bit tricky, because there were a couple of tricky rhythms I did in the middle there. Shall we have another go? Ready? Here we go. 2, 3, me first. Great. So you know what? Samba music often has some copyback in it, and it's really nice not to have everyone all playing at once. So we often have sometimes where someone plays a little bit and other people answer by playing the rhythm back. But also, one instrument we haven't yet seen, which is amazing, and I'll tell you what, I think this might be one of my favourite samba instruments, might be my top one, and it is called, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to let Costas explain what this is called. So Costas, can you show us what is this instrument?
Hi, Mike. It's one of my favorites too. It's called pandeiro, and in Brazil, pandeiro means tambourine, and they are referring to this little drum. This is a frame drum. As you can see, there are 6 pairs of jingles, and mine has a leather skin, although in Brazil loads of them have a plastic head as well. And it depends what style of music you play, you're using a plastic or a leather head. So I'm going to show you three different strokes. One is at the bottom right of your instrument with your thumb, doing this movement. So you have a bass here, and on the top right corner you can play a bass with your 3 fingers, and again with your thumb. If you play in the middle of the drum, you have this sound, which is like a muted sound. So with the pandeiro, you can actually play what the surdo is playing or what the ganzas are playing. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to use those 3 simple strokes while I'm going to move my instrument like that from my wrist, right and left. This is the movement that I'm going to do here. And I'm going to use those 3 sounds. So 3, 4. So pandeiro, it's called.
Wow, that
It's
is,
pandeiro.
Costas, that is amazing. I'll tell you what's so amazing about that is that it's quite hard to believe that all of that sound is coming just out of that one drum.
Exactly.
And it's amazing. So it's really like the whole samba band in one drum. And you often see in Rio, which is where all these images are behind us, in Rio, when they have a samba band, when they play as part of the carnival, that we'll be talking about later, sometimes they start the music with the two lead dancers at the front and the pandeiro playing before you get all the other drummers join them as well. So it's amazing. It's lovely to hear that pandeiro. Now, another thing that happens in the music, we talked about copy back, and that was where whatever rhythm I play, you then basically play the same rhythm back. But we often also talk about music being like a language. Now, if music's like a language, it's a bit weird for if you have a language and if I ask a question for the person to then say exactly the same words back to me. For example, so if I say, Fred, how are you?
Fred, how are you?
Doesn't make sense, does it? So, but hang on, if we try it now properly, how it would actually work in as we normally speak. Fred, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks, Mike.
See, that makes so much more sense. And it's exactly the same in music. Sometimes it's appropriate for whatever rhythm the leader plays, everyone plays the same rhythm back. That is called copy back, because you are copying the rhythm back. But often it makes more musical sense and sounds better if whatever rhythm everyone plays back is different. And when we do that, we often call that call and response. So the leader, which could be me for this, is playing the call, and everyone else is responding by saying a response rhythm, which might be the same rhythm or it might be something different. So we have a really nice little call and response we're going to do for our piece. And I'm going to play it on my drum, my Kaisha drum. I'm going to play the rhythm, answer my drum. Nice and easy. But you don't play the same rhythm back because it's not copy back. Answer my drum. And because we're all excited about samba, you're going to play on your drum just one word, and it's going to be yeah. So it's going to be answer my drum, yeah. Answer my drum, yeah. And we're going to do it twice. So shall we practice that maybe? Are you ready? Here we go. So answer my drum, yeah. Answer my drum, yeah. So it's a bit like, I suppose I'm like a conductor as well, that I'm pointing to you, and what's great about doing is my hands go very big. I'm pointing to you when every time you're supposed to do it. So, answer my drum, yeah! Answer my drum, yeah! So you don't say the answer my drum bits, the only bits you say are the yeah. Answer my drum, yeah! Answer my drum, yeah! It's quite tricky to get it in time. Actually, I'm going to do answer my drum a third time. But the third time I do it, your response is going to be different from what you've done before. Your response is going to be, let's play. So it goes, the whole thing goes like this. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play. Does that make sense to you? I'm just going to make me bigger, just so you can see this a little bit. There we go. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play. Should we try once more? Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play. Shall we try that? Ready? One on the drum. Ready? Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play. Great. So I was playing just off screen. I've got a little drum there to try and play your part. Should we try once more? Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play. But what are we playing? Let's play. Let's play the samba. Answer my drum. Let's play the samba. So we need to practice that bit as well. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play the samba. Shall we try and say the whole thing before we try and play it? Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Yeah. Answer my drum. Let's play the samba. Now notice I'm saying the samba nice and deep. That is because it's going to be on the surdo, and that is, of course, that big drum that we can see Fred has got there just on front of his cable car going to Sugarloaf Mountain there. So, shall we have a go at putting it all together? It's going to be answer my drum, yeah, answer my drum, yeah, answer my drum. Let's play the samba. Now, here's the thing. The moment we have done let's play the samba, again, this is kind of when we think about music being a language, it doesn't make sense to go, let's play the samba, and then stop and nothing to happen. That doesn't make sense. We've just said, let's play the samba, so we better play some samba. So the moment we've done, let's play the samba, we're going to go straight back into our different rhythms, all those different rhythms that we have taught you over the last couple of videos. So decide which one of us you're going to play their part, and we're going to put it all together. Now the thing is, this call and response happens a few times throughout the piece, and we need to know, when does it happen? How do you know what to do? Well, there's always a samba leader who does different hand symbols to tell us what to do. So far you've seen me kind of going 4, 3, 2, 1 to tell us when to stop. The thing is, in practice in Rio in Brazil, there are so many drummers drumming together. 300 drummers in one samba band. Wow. You often can't really see the leader very well, and you certainly couldn't hear them shout. So instead, they use one of these. Raul,
Yes, sir.
what is this called?
Apito. I'll say it again. Apito.
Apito. It's basically a Brazilian whistle. Raul, can we hear you play your Brazilian whistle?
Well, before I play it, I must show you because it's got different holes, so probably different sounds. Let's find out. Can you hear it? There you go. 3 different sounds. There.
Amazing.
Can we hear yours, Mike?
Yeah. And I tell you what, if you go to Rio, you will see there are amazing birds everywhere, and this kind of sounds like the bird call. So hey, Raul, let's have a little bird conversation. Why not? Brilliant. And there's one other thing I can play. There we go. So now normally you would have the leader, who is called the samba mestra, and the leader, he would be able to, or samba maestra, he would be playing the whistle, and that tells everyone when to stop. So he would play 4 whistle blows, and that tells us all when to stop. So can you listen out for when I'm playing those whistles? Because we stop, but actually we go straight back into the call and response. Answer, my drum, yeah, that bit, okay? Shall we try it? Should we put everyone all together? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Answer, my drum, yeah! Let's play the samba. Very good. So which one of us are you copying? Are you copying Costas on the go-go? Are you copying Fred on the solo? Or maybe it's Raul on the tambourine, or maybe Mike on the percussion. Means stop completely. So we're going to get to coming up. absolutely amazing today, everyone. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. Well, so, like we said in the last couple of videos, that's not the end of the lesson. There is a quiz on the website that has everything we've talked about today. Make sure you go and have a go at that quiz and make sure you see how much of the things you can get right. Have you remembered everything we've told you? And we will see you again for the next video. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.